What if I told you that a massive number of affiliate marketers, maybe even you, are basically walking a tightrope over a huge canyon, and you can't even see that the rope is frayed? Seriously, in 2025, affiliate marketing is looking more profitable than ever. Yet so many marketers, from fresh-faced beginners to seasoned pros, are unknowingly making some really damaging mistakes. These aren't just slowing them down, they're actively wrecking their entire affiliate. This isn't about bad luck, folks, it's about bad habits. The dream of affiliate marketing is pretty sweet, right? Passive income, being your own boss, the chance to scale. Who wouldn't want that? But as we get further into 2025, this dream is seriously threatened, not just by more competition or algorithm changes, but by some super common yet critical mistakes. A lot of affiliates are just missing these things, repeating errors that totally hamstring their earning potential and trash the very foundation of their business: trust. Now, this isn't just another generic list of tips. We're going to really get into the toughest pitfalls in the 2025 affiliate world. Mistakes that even experienced marketers can stumble into if they're not careful. We'll show you why these mess-ups are so damaging, and most importantly, give you clear, practical ways to dodge them. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what not to do. You'll have the know-how to not only sidestep these common traps, but to build an affiliate marketing business that's strong, thriving, and lasts well beyond 2025. So maybe grab something to take notes with, because you won't want to miss this. The first, and honestly one of the deadliest mistakes, is chasing those big, juicy commission rates while completely forgetting what your audience actually needs or wants. It's so tempting, isn't it? Especially when you're starting out, you see a product with a massive payout and immediately think of the cash. Or hey, maybe you're an advanced marketer looking to quickly pump up your quarterly earnings. But here's the hard truth. When you promote something just because it pays well, without really believing in it, or if it even makes sense for your audience, you're playing a very short game. Your audience isn't dumb. They can smell an insincere recommendation a mile away. Every time you push an irrelevant or junky product for a quick buck, you chip away at their trust. And that trust, once it's broken, it's incredibly tough, maybe even impossible to get back. This leads to conversion rates tanking, an audience that couldn't care less, and ultimately a trashed reputation. You're not building a loyal fan base, you're just burning bridges for a tiny bit of cash. The fix is simple in theory, but needs discipline. Always put your audience first. Only recommend products and services you genuinely believe in, stuff you've maybe used yourself or researched thoroughly, that truly line up with what your audience needs, wants, or is struggling with. Transparency is huge too. Be open about your affiliate links. Remember, trust is your most valuable asset in affiliate marketing. Guard it like a hawk because it's the foundation of any long-term success. This mistake is a close cousin to the first one, but it's a bit different. It's not just about the commission, it's about not doing your homework. So many affiliates, and yeah, even some seasoned pros trying to scale fast or hop on a trend, will promote products without checking them out properly. They might not try the product, just skim some reviews, or not really think if it actually offers any value. What happens then? Pushing shoddy or mismatched products just leads to disappointed followers. Think about it. If someone buys a product because you said so, and it turns out to be awful or totally wrong for them, who do they blame? You. This directly leads to bad conversion rates for your next promotions, a big hit to your authority in your niche, and can seriously mess up your brand image. You end up looking like someone who either doesn't know their stuff or just doesn't care about their audience. To avoid this, really digging into product research is a must. Before you even consider sharing an affiliate link, try the product if you can. Seriously look at genuine customer reviews. Look for patterns, good and bad. Ask yourself, does this product truly solve a problem or meet a need for my specific audience? The golden rule here is, would you confidently tell a close friend or family member to buy this? If it's anything less than a big yes, then stay away. Ever landed on a blog post or watched a video that felt less like helpful info and more like an affiliate link minefield? Every other sentence has a highlighted link and images are covered in buy now buttons. This is a huge turn-off and honestly a surprisingly common mistake, especially for folks desperate for quick sales. When your content is just stuffed with affiliate links, it screams sales pitch. Instead of here's some valuable information, this whole approach feels spammy, aggressive, and just, well, fake. Instead of actually engaging with your content, your audience will probably feel pressured or annoyed, leading to them bouncing off your page fast and trust levels dropping. They came for information or a solution, not a hard sell. Overwhelm them with links and they'll click away before you can even blink. The way around this is to focus on giving real value first. Your main goal should be to educate, entertain, or solve a problem for your audience. Affiliate links should then be woven in naturally and strategically, only where they genuinely add value and fit the context. Think of them as helpful little signposts for those who are interested, not giant billboards on every corner. Use them sparingly and with purpose. Often less is more with link placement if you want to keep your credibility and your audience paying attention. In the mad dash to get affiliate links out there, many marketers, beginners, and even some advanced ones trying to cut corners make the massive mistake of forgetting about search engine optimization, or SEO, and just how good their content actually is. They might churn out weak, poorly researched articles or totally ignore keyword research, how fast their site loads, and if it works on phones. The harsh truth is, if you ignore SEO, you're pretty much invisible to most of your potential audience, the people actively searching for information your products could help with. Low quality, keyword stuffed or shallow content won't rank well in search engines, meaning hardly any organic traffic. And even if people do find it, bad content won't keep them interested, build you up as an authority, or convince them to trust what you recommend. It's a quick path to wasted effort and basically no audience. The fix here has two parts. Spend time creating high quality, genuinely informative and engaging content, and learn the basics of SEO. This means understanding what your audience is searching for, doing good keyword research, and writing content that gives real answers and value. Pay attention to on-page SEO like title tags and meta descriptions, your site structure, how it works on mobile, and page load speed. Quality content plus smart SEO is a powerful combo for bringing in organic traffic and building a lasting affiliate income. So many affiliate marketers, no matter their experience level, are just flying blind. They set up their links, publish content, and then cross their fingers and hope for the best without really tracking what's working and what's not. This is like trying to steer a ship without a compass or a map. Good luck with that. The impact of not tracking and analyzing your performance is huge. You have no real clue which content pieces are actually making you sales, which traffic sources are bringing in the good visitors, or which products your audience likes best. This means you can't really improve your strategy. You might be pouring time and money into things that do absolutely nothing while missing out on potential gold mines. It's a recipe for going nowhere and wasting resources. As industry reports have shown, a lot of marketers don't use data effectively to get better. The solution is to get friendly with analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics, your affiliate program, dashboards, and any other tracking software you can get your hands on. Keep an eye on key numbers like click-through rates, conversion rates, earnings per click, where your traffic is coming from and what people do on your site. But don't just collect data. Look at it regularly to understand the story it's telling. Which blog posts bring in the most affiliate sales? Which social media platforms send you engaged traffic? Use these insights to change up your strategy, do more of what works, and tweak or ditch what doesn't. Constantly analyzing and adapting is essential for growth. Trying to grab every opportunity they can, many affiliates fall into the trap of promoting a ton of unrelated products across lots of different unconnected niches. They become a jack of all trades, but a master of absolutely none. This lack of focus is incredibly damaging. It confuses your audience. They don't get what your brand or platform is really about. It seriously waters down your authority. It's impossible to be a believable expert in a dozen different areas. Trying to appeal to everyone often means you end up appealing to no one. Your marketing messages become vague, your content lacks depth, and building a loyal, targeted community turns into a massive struggle. The solution is to pick a specific niche and stick to it, at least when you're starting. Focus on an area where you have real interest, passion, or some know-how. This lets you build up deep knowledge, create super relevant content, and position yourself as a trusted authority. Choose your product promotions carefully to make sure they fit your chosen niche and back up what your brand is all about. Specializing will help you attract a more engaged, targeted audience that actually trusts your specific recommendations. This is a big one, and the fallout can be nasty. Many affiliates, sometimes because they don't know, and sometimes because they're cutting corners, don't properly disclose their affiliate relationships or make misleading claims about products. With rules like FTC guidelines always changing, even savvy marketers can get tripped up if they're not paying attention. The impact of not playing by the rules is serious. You could face hefty fines from regulatory bodies. The FTC can hit you with penalties over $50,000 per violation in 2025, legal headaches, and completely destroy your reputation and your audience's trust. Platforms can ban you, and your audience will feel tricked if they find out you haven't been straight with them. This isn't just a good idea, it's a legal and ethical must-do. The solution is to be totally committed to transparency and staying up to date on legal requirements. Always clearly and obviously disclose your affiliate links. Get familiar with FTC guidelines in the US, GDPR in Europe, and any other local rules that apply to your audience. Make sure your disclosures are easy to find and understand. No tiny print or hidden messages. Honesty isn't just the best policy, it's the only policy for a sustainable affiliate marketing business. The digital marketing world, and affiliate marketing with it, is always changing. New platforms pop up, algorithms get tweaked, how consumers behave shifts, and new tools and strategies come out all the time. A common mistake, especially for beginners, is not putting time into ongoing learning. On the flip side, some advanced marketers get complacent, sticking to old tactics that just don't cut it anymore. The impact of standing still is that your strategies quickly become outdated. What worked great last year might be totally useless in 2025. Your income can stall or even drop. Your competitors who are adapting will zoom past you, and you'll be left wondering why your efforts aren't paying off anymore. Staying static in such a fast-moving field is a surefire way to get left behind. The answer is to always be learning and adapting. Make time to stay updated on industry trends, algorithm changes, new marketing channels, and what's working now. Read industry blogs, follow the experts, join webinars or online courses, and don't be scared to try new things. The affiliate marketers who make it in the long run are the ones who are quick on their feet, curious, and dedicated to evolving with the industry. Many affiliate marketers find one traffic source that works well. Maybe it's organic search, a particular social media platform, or paid ads, and then they put all their eggs in that one basket. While getting really good at one channel is smart, becoming completely dependent on it is incredibly risky. The danger here is huge. Algorithm updates can wipe out your organic search traffic overnight. A social media platform can change its rules, suspend your account, or just lose popularity, taking your audience with it. Ad costs can shoot up, making your paid campaigns unprofitable. If your single source of traffic dries up, so does your affiliate income. Simple as that. The solution is to diversify your traffic. While it's smart to focus on mastering one or two main traffic sources at first, your long-term strategy should involve building multiple ways to get visitors. This could be a mix of SEO, email marketing. Building your own list is a game changer. Various social media channels, paid advertising, and even collaborations or guest posting. A diverse traffic strategy creates a much stronger and more stable affiliate business. One that can handle unexpected changes and platform-specific problems. The final critical mistake we're tackling is teaming up with the wrong affiliate programs or merchants. This isn't just about the products themselves, but about how honest, reliable, and supportive the programs you join actually are. Some affiliates jump into programs without really checking them out, lured by promises of high commissions or how easy it is to sign up. The problems from partnering with badly managed, unethical, or unreliable affiliate programs can be severe. You might run into issues like not getting paid or getting paid late, inaccurate tracking meaning you don't get credit for sales you actually made, terrible affiliate support when you need help, or a program suddenly changing its terms or even shutting down without warning. Plus, linking your brand with a shady program can damage your own reputation just by association. The solution is to do your homework thoroughly before joining any affiliate program. Don't just look at the commission rates. Research the program's reputation. Look for reviews or feedback from other affiliates. Understand their payment terms, how long their cookies last, their tracking methods, and the kind of support they offer their affiliates. Make it a priority to partner with reputable, well-established programs and brands that actually value their affiliates and operate with honesty and integrity. Choosing the right partners is just as important as choosing the right products. So there you have it. 10 of the absolute worst affiliate mistakes that are tripping up marketers in 2025, whether they're just starting out or have been in the game for years. As we've seen, these aren't just tiny slip-ups, they are major errors that can totally derail your efforts, wreck your credibility, and ultimately lead to failure. But the good news is that every single one of these mistakes is avoidable. Being successful in affiliate marketing in 2025 and beyond isn't about finding some secret trick or magic button. It's about building a business on a solid foundation of trust, consistently giving real value to your audience, being transparent, staying flexible by always learning, diversifying your efforts, and carefully choosing your partners and products. By understanding these traps and proactively using the solutions we've talked about, you can navigate the affiliate world with much more confidence. You can stop unknowingly sabotaging your success and start intentionally building a profitable, sustainable, and genuinely rewarding affiliate marketing. If this has opened your eyes to even one mistake you might be making or could make, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps other affiliates find this important info. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're all about bringing you more practical strategies and insights to help you absolutely crush your affiliate marketing goals in 2025. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you seen others make, or maybe even made yourself? What other big no-nos do you think are critical for affiliates to avoid in 2025? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community and help each other succeed. Thanks for watching, and here's to your affiliate success.